Hi everybody, hope you're well. Today, I'm in Yorkshire again, and I'm in Knaresborough. Yeah, I hadn't heard of it either. This might be one of the sort of most underrated views in England. Take a look at this. Look at that. Historic viaduct. Built in the 1800s, across the River Nidd below. Right in the heart of this classic Yorkshire market town. Definitely one of the best views I'd never heard of or seen before. And the view from up here near Knaresborough Castle. Stunning. Got a better view here, look. Absolutely beautiful. That could be a postcard, couldn't it? Crazy. Yeah, unreal. Especially on a lovely day like today. Got the sunglasses for later on, just in case. But yeah, what a start, eh? And just walking around the castle walls here as well. I'm going to take a walk down towards the river. Bit of an information board here about the castle. The remains of the King's Tower, part of Knaresborough Castle. Still see part of the dungeon, the ground floor chamber. What it used to look like. Not much left of it today, but still quite imposing. And beautiful castle grounds. And that magnificent view at the top, which we started off with. Let's head down. Hi guys. Let's head down to the Riverside and get a different kind of view of the viaduct. Lovely grounds down here. Lovely ambience. You can see the viaduct peeking through. As the bells strike 1 p.m. There's a little bench here, look. Another spot to take a seat and take in the views. Let's have a look. Look at that architecture. Lovely, someone in the boat down there as well. Enjoying the calm waters on this beautiful April day. Stunning. Put the shades on now because the sun's right in my eyes. This is just beautiful. Somebody taking a photo over there. Cave-like area here with a roof on. Look at that. The shades of the foliage. Stunning. I've never been here before, and I'm starting to wonder and ask myself, why the hell not? Because so far, breathtaking. Look at this. What a spot to have a spot of lunch or a coffee. Unbelievable.
Where we go? Are we going to that cave thing or? If you want them. Oh yeah.
You've got a palm tree there, look. What a combination. Viaducts and palm trees. Definitely something I can get on board with. It's beautiful. Beautiful down here. Yeah, now I can really sort of take in the scale of this behemoth of a structure. Incredible. Not enough words. Walking under it now. Incredible. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Imagine living down here, close to the river and by that viaduct. Oh, got the dog meet-up happening.
Down it goes.
Knaresborough boats. Don't think I'll be getting on one today, but looks like you can hire them. Another view of the viaduct from the other side this time. Just want to get an ice cream as well. Very tempting on a day like today. It is only 11 degrees though. It looks much warmer, probably on camera. Nice little pub there, the World's End. Fitting road name, Waterside.
I do want, yeah,
A cute name for a little pub or coffee shop there, the Ugly Duckling. And we're just going to walk across this bridge that we spotted by the boats. Yeah, look at that. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Knaresborough. Where have you been all my life? I definitely need to invest in a thesaurus. There's only so many times you can say stunning, beautiful, incredible. I'll get on Amazon later. Stupendous. This thatched building. I'm hoping I can go this way. It's quite a steep street, but you do know me, I do like a cobbled street. It's lovely here. Oh, it's steep though. Oh, a train station up here. I think the trains go directly across the viaduct. Check out the shorts on my channel. I'll go back and see if I can film one. Is this locked? No. God, it's steep here. I knew it would be at some point when we went down from the castle to the Riverside, but it's definitely worth it though. Incredible views down there. Stupendous views. So let's head this way and we'll try and get into the market square, the town centre. See what that's like. I've no idea where I'm going. It's a lovely day. Don't mind being lost. Just when it's raining, when you want to be somewhere else, anywhere but outside and lost. There we go. This looks like the market square bit. A proper old school Yorkshire town. Beautiful. Well guys, thanks for coming on this gander with me around Knaresborough today. A place that I'd never really heard of before. I'm actually just on the way home from a job this morning and thought I'd stop off. I'd heard about the viaduct, but yeah, never been here before. I'm certainly glad that I stopped off and had a gander round. Glad I could bring you guys along with me for the ride. Thank you ever so much for watching. Get yourselves to Knaresborough if you're in the local area or if you're passing by. Yeah, definitely worth pulling up for and having a bit of a mooch around, having a gander. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you to those who have subscribed, really appreciate it. The numbers are going up ever so slightly, but yeah, every little helps, so thank you very much indeed. Thank you for watching, thank you for liking, hint hint, give that like button a bash, and yeah, as always, please do leave your comments below. I read every single one, and if you have a recommendation for me to go and have a gander around somewhere in your local area or somewhere that you've been before and really enjoyed, please do share that with me. I've already had some recommendations to go and visit Leeds and King's Lynn, for instance, so I'll be definitely checking those out at some point down the line. Yeah, if you like what you see, please continue to watch. If you've got any comments, queries, general wonderings, reach out to me and I'll get back to you. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.